real estate topic of the day today is open house. What is an open house? According to the WRA, Wisconsin Real Estate Association, an open house is a showing of real estate open to the public for viewing without an individual appointment. Okay, that's pretty self-explanatory. Let's dive a little deeper into the advantages to an open house. Linda and I are big fans of running open houses for our listings, and there's lots of reasons. For one, think about when you walk into a store and you just want to do a little research and see what's available and what you're more than likely going to spend. Normally, you want to do that without any additional pressure. Buying and selling real estate comes with its own pressure, so a properly run open house is more inviting to many people, to many potential buyers, and feels a little less committal than scheduling a private showing. Another awesome benefit is directly connected to the digital world we live in. Nowadays, so many people go to real estate websites like Zillow or Realtor.com, and for the record, we always suggest Realtor.com over Zillow. Not because of any benefits to Belinda and I or real estate agents in general, they just tend to update their current listing info more frequently, and they're generally more reliable. But anyways, lots of people sign up on these sites to get notifications about property in their area. So they'll get a notification every time a new listing hits the market, if there's a price change on a property, and for open houses. So these sites, and there's a bunch of them, send out email bursts to thousands of people who are actively searching for property every time an agent runs an open house. That's why we will always do at least one open house a month, 2 if we haven't sold the property already. It's free advertising that reaches thousands of potential buyers. Remember, we're not looking for a buyer, we're looking for multiple buyers. It's easy to sell a house. We advertise our open house schedule in local newspapers also. But believe it or not, there's still a market for that. And we canvass local neighborhoods with pick your neighbor flyer marketing material, because a lot of times people know people who want to move into communities. Open houses are just an awesome tool, and if you strategically time them, they are the difference maker between negotiating with one buyer or 3 or 4 buyers at the same time. We've said it often, selling property is easy. Not leaving a bunch of money on the table is the more difficult part. Paul and I would obviously love the opportunity to talk to you about our strategy with that. The only real downside to having an open house is you are opening your home to a potentially high volume of people for 2 or 3 hours at a time. So there's cleaning, sanitizing your home of personal items such as bank information, credit card info, calendars that reference vacations and schedules, work schedules. Now these are things that your agent certainly will help you with. And much of this you will have done already in preparation for listing your home. Your agent should always be on site to answer questions and safeguard your property during an open house. We see our open houses as being more of an event because, of course, we have cookies and other snacks, but we place literature throughout the home. We run live video promoting the open house, and there's always soft music playing in the background to help people feel relaxed. It's all part of a larger strategy that benefits both buyers and sellers. As usual, Belinda and I hope that this helped shed a little light on the topic of open houses. I can't tell you how strongly Bella and I believe in them.